Okay, so I have started solving Codeforces problem and I have started with the easier ones. So let's solve this problem today. It's called domino piling. It's easy problem to solve, to be honest. So let's read the problem. You are given a rectangular board of m into n squares. Also, you are given an unlimited number of standard domino pieces of 2 into 1 squares. So you are allowed to rotate the pieces. You are asked to place as many dominoes as possible on the board so as to meet the following conditions. So the conditions are: each domino completely covers 2 squares, no 2 dominoes overlap, each domino lies entirely inside the board, it is allowed to touch the edges of the board. So find the maximum number of dominoes which can be placed under these restrictions. Okay, so and the input will be like, in a single line you are given two integers m and n, board sizes in squares. So 1 is less than or equal to m, is less than or equal to n, is less than or equal to 16. So okay, so to understand the problem better, I have created a square. So let's say this is a square, rectangular board, and let's say, so this is a rectangular board, and here m is 1 and n is 2. Alright, and we can make dominoes out of it. So they said that the size of the domino is 2 into 1. So let's color our dominoes. So let's say this is the domino of the size 2 into 1, and so if the size of the rectangular board is also 2 into 1, then we can fit one domino into the rectangular board. But if the size of the rectangular board is 2 into 2, then we can fit in 2 dominoes. Alright, so you get the idea. So this is just a very simple problem of calculating area. Okay, so let's see the code. So let's see the code. We will have two integers m and n, and if we look at the problem, we will get inputs like this. So we will save those inputs in our in m and n variables, and what we can do is we can output m. So the area of the rectangular board is m into n, and we can divide it by the area of the domino. So the area of the domino is 2 into 1, so we can write just 2, and that's it. That should solve the problem. What have I done wrong here? Well, it cannot open IOStream. Why can't it open IOStream? I don't know. Oh, because I made a typo here. IOStream. So 2 and 4, if I input 2 and 4, the output is 4. And if I input 3 and 3, I output 4. so which is good.